All right, here we go. Iron Gwazi. You ready?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be good. We got some RMC.
Finally in my home park, so
Yes. Busch
I
Gardens
can skip work
Tampa.
and go riding RMC all day.
All right, here we go.
All you have is a little strap to hold on to, so.
Yep, you just got this.
I don't hold on to anything.
I'm not holding on to anything either. Hands are going up.
Woo. Get a nice view of the lovely.
It's very nice.
Area. It's very flat.
Yeah. It's a very nice view.
Maybe you can see Raymond James Stadium.
Yep.
That's not it.
All right, here we go.
Way too smooth for its own good.
That was very smooth. Wow. What'd you think? What are your first impressions?
Oh, it was really smooth. Like,
So smooth. Probably the smoothest I've been on.
I was afraid that it would be a little bit too wild for the average Central Florida, but I think people will love this.
Me too. I don't. It's not too crazy, but it's definitely, it's intense.
No, it's intense. This will be something. I mean, they never had this anywhere in Florida. So.
No, this is completely new, and I think people are gonna love it.
Yeah, so they're gonna love it. Yeah. Of course, I'll be hiking this up every day.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Ooh, tears in my eyes from.
I know. Yeah, sitting in the front.